Hi, today I am going to make doner kebab. For dough, take 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon yeast. Add all dry ingredients and mix them. Two tablespoons oil, 1 beaten egg, milk as required for fine dough. Mix them and make a dough. Applying oil and cover with lid or cling, then take aside for 2 hours. Now another pot, take 500 grams boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, roasted and crushed cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, a ½ teaspoon chili flakes, a ½ teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar. Mix all the ingredients with chicken and take aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, chicken is marinated. Now take a frying pan, add some oil and heat it. Fry chicken pieces on medium flame. Turn side and cook until its color change in golden brown color. It's done. After that, make slices of cooked chicken. Take 3 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, some black pepper, mix and make a doner sauce. Take some vegetables which you like to add in doner as a salad, cut them and add 1 large juice of lemon, some salt and black pepper and mix all. After 2 hours, dough is firmed. Make a ball and divide into parts. Take a baking tray and grease it with oil, then spread in the one part of dough like round shape. Apply beaten egg and sprinkle some black seeds. – 120 degrees in preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Bread is ready. Cut into 4 parts. Now take 1 part and cut into the center. Like this. Filling with sauce, then chicken, salad, and at the end again the layer of sauce. Repeat this process on all bread. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do like and share. Make these doner kebab and tell me your experience in comment section. Thanks for watching.